Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm checking out this quarter's crate club, and it's the general box, so let's check it out. So if you've been watching my channel, you know exactly what the crate club is, but if you don't, I'll have links below in my description box. So as you saw, that box was huge, so I have it off to the side. I'm just gonna grab the first item on top. And right off the bat, check this out. Halfbreed Blades. I love Halfbreed Blades logo right here. That's really cool. And the magnetic box. Looks like we have some, I don't know, some forms, papers. Put that off to the side and check this bad boy out. Wow. So I'm not exactly familiar with this model, but I love this. So right there it says Halfbreed Blades. Looks like it's D2 steel. Spear point and that awesome little logo right there. And I'm guessing these handles are G10. So let's take a look at the cheat sheet here. It says right here, Halfbreed Blades CCK05 compact clearance knife. One piece full tank construction, spear point blade design, extra large finger choil aids control for more intricate cutting tasks right here. Blade fuller reduces weight without compromised strength. Let's see, the blade length 2.95 inches, handle length 3.74 inches, overall length 6.69 inches. And I already said it is D2 and it is milled G10 on the handle here. So I don't own too many of this style of knife, but this actually, it feels okay in the hand. We have some jimping right here where your thumb rests and this oversized finger choil right here. Yeah, it got some weight to it too. It doesn't really say how much this weighs, but it definitely has some weight to it. And it did mention that it has a full tank construction. Right here on the back end, we have a lanyard attachment. And this thing is just razor sharp right out of the box. So far, I really like this. Oh, I forgot to take that little partition out. And it looks like it comes with, let's see, it has a little sheath here. And let's put that in there. Okay, it has a nice little click to it. Check that out. So that just slides up, that opens up, and this piece right here is a push button lock. So that opens right up. So it looks like it has multiple ways to attach to whatever you want to attach this to, either your belt or whatever you want to do. So I'm glad I lifted this up because I would have missed the sheath here. So I'll put this off to the side and let's grab the next item. I mean, we all know what this is. It's a Leatherman. But what kind of Leatherman is this? Oh, check that out. It's a Raptor. You know what? I don't own any Raptors, so this is really cool. Oh, wow. Yeah, so this one already comes in the sheath, so I have no chance of missing that. So let's check this out. Oh, I love this. Boom, this is awesome. So as you can see right there, it says Leatherman Raptor Rescue. So these are pretty heavy duty shears. And obviously if you're an EMT, these would come in handy. I just wanted a pair of these just to have in my backpack and kit. On the reverse side, it has a nice little pocket clip. So let's close these up. Oh, it has a push button lock right there. So let me show you guys a little push button lock right there. Fold that up. On the opposite side, same push button, close that up. Very cool. And right there's another little tool. So either a rope cutter or a seatbelt cutter right there. And it looks like that has a liner lock style lock that keeps that into place, and that just snaps right back in. So this is awesome. So on the cheat sheet here, it says Leatherman Raptor Rescue Shears, made in the USA, 420 HC stainless. Strap cutter, ring cutter, ruler, oxygen tank wrench, and carbide glass breaker. Close length 5 inches, open length 8 inches, shear length 1.9 inches, and it weighs 5.8 ounces. Oh yeah, look at that, I missed that. There's the carbide glass breaker. So like I said, this is something that I've always wanted, but didn't really see the need to purchase it for myself. So I'm really glad I pulled this out of the box. And just to show you guys right here, there's the ruler right there on the blade itself. So right there. Now let's take a look at this sheath here. So these just go right back in just like that. So this is a decent little package here. So I'm gonna put this back in the box. Put this off to the side. I'm gonna run out of room already on this table. And let's grab something small then. So it looks like it's the Uplula Universal Pistol Mag Loader. Uplula 9mm to 45 ACP Universal Pistol Mag Loader, made in Israel. Loads all 9mm Luger, 357 SIG, 10mm, 40, and 45 ACP caliber single and double stack magazines. Pocket size, one fits all, no insert spacers or adjustments at all. Easy loading, up to 1 round per second loading rate, 1/3 the time of loading several mags with thumb, fits in hand and pocket, weighs only 66 grams, 2.3 ounces. So I don't see the need to take this out because I'm not going to be loading any magazines here on camera, but that's pretty cool. So I'll put this off to the side and let's see what else we got. All right, so this one is a Madhouse design single pistol mount. So I've actually never seen this type of mount before, but check out how it mounts right there. So all of the pieces are right here. I'm actually gonna take this out just to see how this is put together. All right, so that piece is rubberized, that sticks into the barrel. That piece right here mounts to your wall with some screws. And then this slides on as so. Am I doing this wrong? Oh, that feels silly. So that has to be loosened up. There we go, that slides on, and then that just hand tightens, or you can tighten it down with a screwdriver. So that locks in pretty nice. And now there's a knob on the bottom here we pull down, and then we can swivel this attachment right here. Looks like that just locks in, and this screws right in. Looks like that's a 1/4 20. So let's screw that in just like that. And yeah, there we go. So obviously we're gonna mount it like this. So what we can do is pull that pin out and then have this pin pointing straight up, and then you just load your pistol barrel just like this, and we can have that mounted anywhere we want to. This is pretty cool. So it says right here, Madhouse designed single pistol mount with 9mm pin, made in the USA, all metal CNC machine components, compact, solid, versatile, blah, 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 unlimited combinations. So this definitely looks like a nice convenient mounting solution if you've been looking for something like that. So let's put this off to the side. Let's grab the next thing. All right, so I'm guessing we have a blanket here. Let's tear this open. Wait, what does this say? Oh, Camo Woogie Poncho Liner. Okay, very cool. Throw that away. So let's open this up and see what the heck this looks like. Oh, okay, look at this. So I'm guessing this is gonna open up too big for the camera. So it's definitely gonna open up too big for my camera here. So I'm not gonna open it up right away, but this looks pretty darn comfortable. So it's just a Woogie liner. What the heck, where's that thing? Right here. So let's see what the heck is going on. So Crate Club Poncho Liner. 100% ripstop polyester shell, 100% polyester batten. Package dimensions 14.6 by 6 by 4.8 inches, and it weighs 1.90 pounds. So it says the Woogie has been the comfort blanket of military men and women for decades. We took that same blanket and added a zipper to easily convert this into a sleeping bag. This will quickly become your favorite blanket for all things, and it has a US woodland camo pattern. This is awesome. So yeah, here's the zipper right here, and we just have that same design all through it. So this is awesome. I can see myself using this on my next camping trip. So how easy is this to get back inside? And actually, this one's not that terrible because made of nylon, it just slips right back inside. Oh, there you go. Packs up nice and compact. Kind of. Okay, well, there you go. All right, next, there's 2 big items left in this box. So I'm gonna grab this thing, and this is, heck, Kong Case Built Bowl. Look at that. So it's a durable, waterproof, protective case by Kong Case. So let me see what this is here. Oh, it looks like a Pelican case. So nothing else left in there. Yeah. So I don't have any Kong cases, but I have a ton of Pelican cases, and this seems to be almost exactly the same. So we have a couple of latches on the side, and they're there's latches right here. So it's one thing we don't have on the Pelican cases, or at least the ones that I have, are this little lockdown right here that you have to press down to release the latch here, the lock. There we go. Open that up. Okay, so we have the foam on the inside, and looks like it's pluckable foam. Just like the Pelicans, you can see they're just squared out right there, and whatever you want to put in there, just pluck out the foam. And there's 2 layers, well, at least I think there's 2 layers. Yeah, 2 layers of pluckable foam and this little liner foam at the very bottom. So this is pretty cool. It's small and compact, but very deep. I mean, this is really deep. What are the dimensions of this? Okay, it looks like the dimensions are 12 by 10 by 8. And the inner dimensions are 9.25 by 7.28 by 7.32. Dust and water protection level IP67. So IP67 case here. So the 7 means it's submersible up to 3 feet for 30 minutes. So that's pretty good for a case. And it's shock resistance IK08. I'm not as familiar with the shock resistance as I am with the IP ratings. I'll actually look that up and I'll put that on screen. And it says the material is engineering plastic, but this thing feels just as durable as a Pelican. If you guys know about Kong case, let me know in the comments below, because I've never had a Kong case before, and this feels pretty solid. And I really love the colors here. I love this gray with the green here and the green on the handle. If I can, wow, that thing is solid, man. It's actually pretty hard to lift up, but this is brand new, so it just has to get broken in a little bit. But yeah, this is nice. So let's lock that back up, put it off to the side. And it looks like there's one more big item in this box here, and that is, jeez, what? Gun Vault. Safe, quick, strong, smart. It is a Speed Vault SV 500. And this sucker is heavy, man. Let me take this out here. Check this out. So, Speed Vault SV 500, SVB 500, it says right there. And, wow. Okay. So, I have no room left on this desk, man. Put that off to the side, and let's take this out, man. This thing is pretty heavy duty, man. So it looks like we have some buttons on the top here. I'm guessing that's how we get into the safe. Some mounting holes on the back, and keyhole right there, just in case maybe if it loses power. And that's how we get into it, but it's completely locked. So how do we get in there? So it looks like we have some tools. Okay, a bunch of mounting screws, a screwdriver. All right, right here we have our keys. Get in there and unlock this. There we go. And boom, just like that. Guessing this is battery powered too. And then we have the programmable buttons on top because it's labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where you mount your pistol right inside here. So I'm just wondering, it doesn't come with any batteries, I don't see. And it looks like we have another mounting plate right inside the box. Yeah, it says right on the back here, battery power, uses 9-volt battery for portable functionality. Battery not included. Keypad, patented no eyes keypad with 4-digit code, provides secure quick access, strong security. It's 18 gauge solid steel housing. So yeah, this is pretty solid. It also has a tamper detect feature with flashing lights when unauthorized access has been detected. Security sleep mode after 6 incorrect code entries, that's pretty cool, and a low battery warning. So obviously I have to mess around with this thing to see if it's a nice safe or not, but I'm a little overwhelmed right now because there's a lot of quality stuff in this quarter's box. I mean, I can't believe this. I wasn't expecting this safe to be in here, that's for sure. And then searching in the box here, looks like there was one more thing. Looks like we have some Spartan Fire multi-use EDC tinder. So I almost missed this too. Man, I am really dropping the ball today. But it says reusable, multiple fires per tinder. Special wax protects knife blades, no odors, oils, or non-toxic. Never expires, 12 fires per pack, 100% waterproof and wind resistant. So this is a cool little thing to pull out at the very end. I wasn't expecting this. I was just too busy checking out all this big stuff. I mean, we got the safe, we got the case, we got the knife, the Leatherman, the pistol mount. I mean, this month I'm impressed with. This is actually April's box, and I'm just getting around to it early May to checking out everything. So I apologize to Crate Club for that, but I'm happy I got around and actually got to dig around in this box, because like I said, there's some cool stuff in here. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the April 2021 Crate Club General Box? I apologize for rushing through everything, but with boxes like this, I like to just show you guys, give you guys a nice quick description. Otherwise, this video would have been an hour long. But if you guys want to play with all this stuff yourself, I will leave links below in my description box to the Crate Club. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!